If you care at all about your privacy and you have an iPhone, these are the 3 most important settings I would recommend every iPhone user change, and it just takes a couple minutes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, scroll down and tap on Notifications midway down. On here, you can see Show Previews midway down. Tap on that. And if you have it set to Always, this will show previews of all of your text messages, your emails, basically all of your sensitive information will be able to be seen even when your iPhone is locked and somebody doesn't unlock it. So I would recommend switching this to When Unlocked or Never, meaning you have to unlock your phone to read those text messages. Now, the next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow and back arrow again. From here, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. And then tap on Location Services. Now, you will share your location with a number of different apps and services that are legitimately useful, but buried at the bottom, you probably don't know about this one. System Services, and then again, scroll down to Significant Locations. Now, let me use my Face ID to unlock this. It says, allow your iPhone or other iCloud connected devices to learn places you go, as well as routes you often take in order to provide useful information about yourself in maps, calendar, photos, etc. Now, I would highly recommend, even though this is encrypted, to turn this off. I don't necessarily want the places that I go and the routes that I take, aka, office places, your home, a significant other's location. All of those will be basically stored on here. I would recommend turning that off and hitting Clear History. After we've done that, let's tackle probably the biggest issue on your iPhone by going back to the Privacy and Security, scrolling down to the bottom, and tapping on Analytics and Improvement. You can see here, Share iPhone Analytics, but you can scroll down and there are other ones like Improve Hand Washing. Help Apple improve hand washing by sharing limited motion and audio data while you're in the bathroom washing your hands. I would recommend turning that off. Improve Health and Activity. It shares health-related data such as your physical activity, your location, heart-related measurements, ECG classification, etc. Again, I would turn off all of these. Every single thing on this entire list I would turn off. Keep in mind, this is anonymized, but again, I wouldn't share that information even though it's anonymized. It drains your battery life, and again, it doesn't do anything useful for you. I hope these 3 things helped you. If they did help you, then share it with a friend. Maybe text it to a friend so that they can follow these steps as well. Like this video, leave a comment. Those are all things that you can do to help the YouTube algorithm help share this with more people just like you. Thanks, guys.